Welcome. I'm Trevor, and I got something here today that's pretty cool. It came from recommendations from one of my friends when we were off-roading, because I presented this problem that I was having with my cell phone and camera mounting and this kind of stuff, and he pointed me in the directions to these guys. So it showed up today. I'm really excited to try this out. It's from Bullet Point Mounting Solutions. I should be able to mount my phone, cameras, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But I started with the base kit first. And what does that include? Ooh, it comes with tools? This is great. Look, it comes with some tools. You install it. That is... So I wanted something with a rugged look. This is absolutely something with the rugged look. And this goes into a spot in the dash of the truck that isn't really utilized right now. So I'm really happy to actually use that spot. So it's got these tough mounting points. Like this is a ball mount that goes with this extension arm. This is gonna work out really well. Wow, this is solid. This is all super solid. Oh yeah, look at that. That's got the right vibe to it. Because I want to go for like a really, whatever this vibe is. The rest of the truck will turn into this at some point. You know what? Less talk. Let's go install it. That's solid. So this little, I don't know what this is. A bullet, just a little thing. Before I go out in the truck, I want to see what this actually is. Oh, it's a bottle opener. Oh, isn't that perfect? That's sick. That's cool. Thanks. Okay, well, this looks like a keychain, but is it just a keychain? Maybe? Oh, looks pretty nice. Sick. What is this? Scan me. Alright, got the phone. Let's scan. So we can both find out what this is. It is... Oh, it's a tightening tool. So this can be used to tighten stuff. Oh, that's awesome. That's smart. So I'll put this on the keychain because it's actually useful. This when I first opened it, but I got a sticker. Yeah. Sick. That'll go on as soon as it's warm enough so it doesn't fall off. Okay, no, I did use something. I did use it. Use it for butter. Anyways, let's get rid of that. The little piece fits in here, so remove that little item and then take out these sockets. Oh, it's so dirty. Should get the vacuum. I'll get the vacuum. Okay, let me clean this first. that's clean now. So let's see. The arm there. This piece goes after this part. This is what I need. This goes somewhere here. Sorry. Goes like this. Nice. All right, so just need to take the 2 Torx out of there, which they supplied me with the Torx Allen key, which is awesome, because then I don't have to go find one. Let's see if I can pull it out. Nope. My angle is not good. Okay, that's good. Broke that one out. Oops. Perfect. Nice. Awesome. Oh. I'm in a terrible seating position. Oh, right. That's gonna go. I forgot there's a center seat. Over all the bad electrical. That's better. Okay. One and go. So this comes out. No. You don't want this to come out, do you? No. Because it'll sit in here nicely, right? Oh yeah. That'll be nice. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Let's get her in. Before I torque that down. Sick. Quarter turn. Oh, that's solid. Nice. Now let's put this piece in here. Beauty. My screwdriver. They did have mini spacers, so I might. Hold on. Just need to get one out. Does that really work for this? Because they're squared off. I thought they would lock in somewhere. Oh, they go here. I could raise that. Okay. No, these are for something else. Not what I was thinking. Oh, maybe I go up here. These little things, they're standoffs, so these can sit a little bit higher, which is neat, but not what I was thinking they were. Okay, let's put those back. Beauty. And I put the little screws back in here. I don't know if you can tell I'm excited, but I'm quite excited about this. Like an actual solid cell phone holder, multi-ball mount. This is quite nice. Let's get these all started a little bit. Everything's a little bit magnetic or staticky. No! Stay. Don't fly out. Okay, find your socket. Is it not lined up? Yeah, it is. Come on. Okay, there we go. Then last but not least, what's actually really cool, which I didn't see earlier, is that there's a bit of a rubber grommet between this hard metal and the plastic. So I don't see it ever causing any vibration noises and stuff. And those vibration noises bother me. I've got a few in the truck right now. I did all the door panels with extra soundproofing just to get rid of the slight bit of rattle that was in the plastic of the door panels. So it tightened it all up. So what I'm saying is, this is quality. This is a quality product. We'll definitely do a review in a year or in a couple months to see how it lasts. But that is so I can move the whole truck from that just this point. Like, oh yeah. You know what? I think we made the right choice here. I gotta shout out Bobby for pointing me in the right direction for checking out this company here. Bullet Point Mounting Solutions. Yeah, you can see that on there. I'll put a link below. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, but I wouldn't mind doing some product for you if you do want to sponsor me. Wow, this is solid. I like it. Oh, and I can move it. I could probably set it up so I can film with this phone mount too. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so now that I got this, I'm probably gonna get two more mounts. One for a GoPro, one for the Osmo that I'm filming on today. Sick. I like it. I really like it. All right, that's it for today. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's put the phone in. Obviously, let's see if it fits. Yeah, that's dope. That is dope. I like it. Okay, I want to bring it. If I bring it low, right about here, and this one. Oh, you know what? I gotta get rid of the old one. The old one's in the way. And the old one stops my vent, like it blocks my vent. So if I'm running a lot of heat, I'm overheating my phone, and then you're charging it. It's not a good time. Sick. Oh, even better, and I can angle it towards me properly. This is a great solution. I was having an issue with my phone mount, and I was talking to Bobby about it, and he pointed me in the right direction. So sorry, I keep shouting out, but this is fantastically solid. It's fairly lightweight. I can get an extra ball for here and here to mount a few other things. Oh, that's sick. That is sick. I'll shut up now. Thanks, guys. I am Trevor, and I'm out. Bye.